Hey, what's up everybody? Today I got some, okay, it's on the other side so we're good. Okay, so I got 3 packages here in this really small area because everything's being moved around in this room. There'll be an update to that when I hit 200 subscribers, okay? We're at 188 as of right now, I believe. Last time I checked, a couple days ago. 188, so yeah. Let's open a small package first. Let's start with this one first. Okay. Alright, well, there she is. We got a little iPod. Shuffle, 2nd generation. Clicking the wrong end, there we go. Yeah, 2nd generation. In like pink or purple, whatever color you want to call this. Okay, I know what this is. I'm not really sure what this yellow one is. I have an idea what it is, but it doesn't look big. Alright, we got 2 iPod minis, silver and blue. The blue has a ring around it, if you can see. And it looks like maybe a little one on the screen. It's whatever. And they said it's because there's a case on it. Silver looks to be in really good condition. I like the blue. I've always loved blue. Blue anything. Anodized aluminum blue. I swear I had one of these before, but I don't know. Now we got 2 more. And then this power adapter, which I believe there's 1 or 2 power things in there. I know there's at least 1 square. I'm going to go through this real quick again because I'm not sure if my address was showing. So I'm going to talk about what we got. We got the power adapter here. 2 things for the iPods. Just like that. Earbuds in the tips. I still don't know if those are legit or not. Those things look slightly different. I don't know. Silver iPod, which turned on when I was doing it. Opening it up. We got some software, probably for iTunes. iPod mini software. I guess we got both of them. Both of them. 2005. Pretty sure they're both 2nd gen iPod minis. I know this one is an iPod mini 2nd gen. Is that bulging? No, I thought it was for 2nd. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe ever so slightly. I don't know. But yeah. Oh, sorry, I clicked on it. My bad. It's been a while. Alright, so we'll let that boot up, and then we'll open this last package here. Okay. This is kind of a surprise, because I'm not exactly sure what these are. Oh, do I? Oh, yeah, they are. Here they are. Oh, here they are. Yes, this is it. I was a little confused on what I was actually going to get, because there are multiple available, and I thought maybe they were just going to grab 5 random colors, but no. Because I wanted these specific colors, mainly because it's hard to differentiate different types of silver. Because I want all the different, this is the iPod Shuffle. 4th generation, is that what it is? 4th generation, I believe, yes. This is 2nd gen. That is 4th generation. But then there's also, I'm going to call it the 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3. Let's just call it that. I don't know. But there were 3 different, like, updates of colors, just colors. And then whatever software was, iTunes version was necessary. I think it was, or like, OS X version that was necessary for each one. So, but we got 2 of the silvers, so that's good. I think we'll just need like the newest silver. I'm not sure. Let's open it up. So, yes, I believe this is from the first run, and this is from the 2nd run, or vice versa. And then these could be for any run. And this is, I can't tell if this is the slate or the space gray. I'd have to run all these serial numbers. to figure out which is which, but I already got some more. So like I'll have 6 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these, I believe. And they're going on my shelf because the deal is I'm trying to collect all the different colors of the iPod shuffles slowly. These might not even work. I don't remember if I bought them in working condition or not. iPod shuffles don't matter if they work. I don't care if they work or not. Just that probably can't be good for them being dropped like that. Oh well. I think the blue's in pretty the best condition right here. Maybe not. I don't know. They're all pretty cool. And they're literally going to be on a shelf. That's all they're going to be. But I want all the different colors for my shelf because it's what I do. Why do I collect the iMac G3s? I don't know. Oh, yeah, and also, I started a Facebook group a little bit ago called iMac G3 Owners and Enthusiasts Group. So, if you're in iMac G3s, please go join the group and I'll let you in. There's only like a couple questions on there. Do you agree to the rules? What's your favorite color iMac G3? And how many do you own? Because it seems that a lot of people have more than just one. If you have just one, it's okay. But yeah, join the group. But yeah, all this stuff's up here because I'm moving a bunch of stuff around. Waiting for something to come for the workshop. But yeah. These are the same blues. They're pretty similar. That's cool though. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. We're about to hit 10 minutes. It'll probably be more like a 6-minute video with all the editing down of me having the phone down like, on the table. But thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. I don't know why I have had an iPod thing going on lately where I've been spending way too much money on iPods. Oh, here, I'll leave you with a little thing about my life. I ordered 10 iPod, like classic, just like regular iPods, 2nd gen and 3rd gens, on a bid. 4 of them worked, 6 of them did not. And then I won. I was the only bidder, and I won. And then the guy refunded me. He's like, "We're out of stock." And I'm just like, "What do you mean? You weren't selling stock." Like, I get maybe if it was like somebody's selling like 1 million of these, and you could just like, or just one of certain thing, or maybe they had like a stock load of them and they just didn't know how much they had. No, this was an actual bidding one for them. They even had it in the description. Only 4 of them work, the other ones do not. Batteries need to replace, hard drives, etc., etc. Like $35. I was like, all right, I'll get them. If they don't work, they don't work. If a couple of them work, cool. They'll never come battery, cool. I don't really care. I can upgrade them, throw them on my shelf. It doesn't really matter. Keep a couple, sell a couple more for real cheap to the community of iPod enthusiasts because that's a thing. Check it out on Reddit. I was actually thinking about making one and group myself for people who like iPods, but I don't know yet. But yeah. There's the haul for the day, and there's the rant of my, I don't know, the iPods. So I got my money back, and I was kind of really mad about that. He must have not liked selling them for that low since I was the only bidder, but that's what happens on eBay. If you're going to sell something, put the lowest bid close to what you're going to want to sell it for in case only one person's interested. You never know. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.